Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to WhatsApp message yourself. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your Android phone and tap the chat icon with the plus sign at the bottom right of your screen. Then scroll down until you find the contact with your phone number listed along with you next to it. Tap on it and it will open the chat window. Here you will see message yourself at the top. Now you can send message to yourself here. You can also use this chat to save important links, notes, or even share media like photos and videos, making it a convenient way to store things on the go. The best part is that you can access this chat anytime from your WhatsApp contact list. And that's it. Now you know how to WhatsApp message yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.